Level.
Where's mine?
Well, good morning. Last night we passed out. Couldn't do a sign off. That's the size luggage. It's Antler. Oh my God, Ferrari. Right.
It's £5 cheaper than everybody else.
So, it's 9:02 on the 30th.
Which is 10:02 in Sweden.
10:02 in Sweden. And we've had a good morning so far. So,
It's Nadie's birthday.
it's Nadie's birthday.
So the day's
Happy
over.
birthday, Nadie.
Hey, birthday, little man.
Love you.
Yep, you'll see this 20
we were
years from now.
successful last night buying all your presents.
We actually were. We kicked
last
ass.
minute.
Robert,
we did
Robert
it.
wasn't there. It's me and Bim. Kicked ass, taking
Running
names.
around London.
I know, right?
Run.
So Robert here is going to buy us breakfast. Isn't that going to be fun?
Yep, super fun.
Super fun. Where's Macca's anyway?
In Earls Court.
Oh man,
It's like about 500 yards south
it's like 5,000 kilometres away. So, what's the plan for today, Bim?
So, plan for today
Big wheel.
is it's Nate's day, so
Big
Nate
wheel.
gets to choose.
Nate gets to choose everything, so we're just going to have peanut butter on toast and sit there and do nothing.
He wants the peanuts in the street, the caramelised peanuts on the side of the road.
Oh my God, can he eat them?
Yum, he wants them so bad.
Yeah.
That's his favourite.
That's his favourite.
He wants to go to Starbucks as well.
Oh, he wants to go to all the Starbucks.
Every
Starbucks you can possibly get.
He loves his
All right.
Starbucks.
He sounds like what his mother
He
was.
sounds like his mum, doesn't he? All right, so let's go and get some Maccas and then go back and sit the kids, eh?
Well, actually,
Lucky us.
the real trick
Oh,
is...
here we go.
we'll
I could
do
spend
everything-
4 hours of footage on this. Sorry.
The
Sorry.
real thing is,
The real thing is...
We'll do
This is-
everything that Nate wants, so long as it's what we're going to do.
Hey, have I told you about the elevator trick?
have I told you about the elevator trick?
Do you know what the elevator...
Robert started the elevator
Do you know what the
trick.
elevator trick's now going to be formally known as?
What? The
The,
elevator trick?
the Doggy Hotel.
The doggy hotel.
Hotel very doggy.
Let me cut through there.
All right. Starbucks.
Yeah, but it's not Starbucks, it's a fake Starbucks.
Oh, fake Starbucks.
So we can either cut through there, or just cut back. Walk this way,
Cut
I'll show
back.
you where Robbie's house is.
Excellent.
Well, you won't be able to see it from here, but I can point
We're
it.
going to go see Robbie's house, take
I
some
can
pictures
point
out the
My
front.
house. Why do you
I
want to
can
see my
point
house?
to where it is
Robbie! Fatty house.
from.
Wayne's house, Bruce Wayne's. So yeah. Alright, well, let's go. Robbie Williams. Bye.
Well, it's a bit far to walk,
Whoa.
about 10 minutes. But
So I'm having Macca's. My little hot chocolate, my latte thing. Yeah, I'm having a hot chocolate. Kim and Dad are around the corner trying to figure out the machine. I'm just drinking. Because I'm starving. It's like normal time for me. It's like 11 o'clock. I haven't eaten breakfast. I got up at 7. I'm starving. Oh, yeah, Kim. Yeah. Right. It's not too bad. Actually quite clean, really quick. So not too bad. So I'm ready for the day. Hash brown, bacon, egg and roll. Ready for the day, mate. Hey y'all. Alright, so we've dumped a lot of the fam bam back at the house. We're gonna go and check out Freddie Mercury's house.
Yes! Who's Freddie Mercury?
He's a singer. And
Does he sing stuff?
he sings songs all the time. Just
kidding.
not now.
Is he as good as Madonna?
He's better.
Oh.
So now we're gonna go there. It's a like 11-minute walk from the house.
Oh my God, we've been walking 10 minutes already.
We've been walking 30 seconds. And then we're gonna go to the door and knock on the door
Uh-huh. And then run away.
and then run away.
Good. I can do that.
And then we're gonna go back and then it's Nadie's birthday, so we're gonna go and
Do nothing.
do nothing. Because all he wants to do today is sit on his iPad and play games. So it's now 11:17
Good day gone.
and yeah, we're gonna go and do something. Find something to do. Have some fun. So yeah. Hey door. Hey door.
Hello, door.
Hey door.
Hey, door.
Mamma mia. Alright, so we're coming up to it now. We're literally 20 metres away. Not even that. It's great. just leaving Freddie's house. It was actually pretty cool. I thought it was cool. Dad said a lot of funny things with the door. And
What door?
that door.
Oh.
And he's senile. So it was great taking him to places because he just doesn't remember.
What?
So it's good. I enjoyed it. So next up, where are we going now? We're going to go back to the house, pick up the kids,
And talk to Freddie.
and then head to
Freddie's place.
Hamill's, I think. I don't know. We're Kim's and then the Lego shop. We're just going somewhere first. I don't
Lego.
really know. But that's...
Don't you know Lego from Lego?
Dad's got to sit there and play with all the Lego blocks now. Come on, Daddy, just play. Oh, play with the blocks. Yes, Dad, play with the ball. Okay.
I'd rather go to the M&M store and play with blocks. It's just across
So
the road.
that's our day for today, I feel. So
No, I'm going to the big wheel.
Dad's
London
going to
Eye.
London Eye. We're going to London Eye.
Yes.
Last time we were here, we went on that. It was great. Woo! So yeah, I'll see you soon.
And we're going to see someone get engaged.
Oh, I'll get engaged again.
You still haven't shown me the
No,
film.
I don't know what bear is. All right. Hey, Dor. Hey, Craigie, where are we?
Piccadilly Circus.
And we're having a great time.
No, Dad's killing me.
Everyone's having fun because everything is awesome. So we're gonna go to Hamley's now?
Yeah.
Whose birthday is it? Oh, it will be. It will be. Is it Norman's? So it's now 12:16. An hour ago I was at Freddie's house. So this is not bad. It's pretty cool. It's actually hot today. I can't get over how actually hot it is. It's pretty warm. That's cool.
Let's go.
Alright, let's go. Crossing. Okay, so we've been walking. We just left the pub area because there was just riots and everything happening. The Amsterdam and England game is on today. So we left, everyone's separated, and we left Mum with Craig and Kim. And we're now going to where?
Australia House.
Stray House. Dad wants to vote. It comes 17,000 kilometres just to vote. So that's what we're doing right now. Makes it really worthwhile. So yeah, we're just gonna keep cracking on until we get to Stray House. And then maybe go see the game at the pub for like 20 minutes. I don't know, maybe get a beer. While you're here, gotta get a beer. Get arrested for pushing someone and calling them a naughty word. Yeah. Alright.
Hey you.
Hey you, naughty word. Alright, well. Dad, where are we?
I have no idea.
Dad, where are we?
Trafalgar Square somewhere.
Okay. Somewhere.
Hello people.
Alright, we've been walking now for probably about 10 minutes.
And we don't know where we are.
We don't know where
There's
we are.
no water.
We're still, it's no water. We're still on our way.
This must be Ayers Rock. My God. We've been walking around Australia for hours.
Day
and hours.
3,472. So, we're almost there. We're probably about, what, 15?
Minutes away from Australia
away.
House, and then we'll see Ayers Rock again.
And we'll see Aussies. We'll get in there and say, "G'day, mate," and they'll be like, "Sorry, do not speak English."
Yeah.
And then, so we're walking along the Thames now. You can see Big
Nothing.
Ben, the Eye, and a few other
If
things.
you can see Big Ben, you'll be really lucky because it's covered.
It's covered in Big Ben stuff. It's like a giant wrapping paper he's hiding. And yeah, so now we're going to walk there, and then
Try
probably go
cross
to a
the road
bar.
without getting killed.
Oh well, Dad can try. I'm pretty good at it, maybe. But yeah. All right.
Most times.
Sometimes
Hey door.
missed by that much.
Hey door.
All right. Hey door. Humble bra. Hey. All right. So we found Australia House. Dad's gonna go and vote. But I don't know if we're allowed to vote, but we're gonna find out. Does it cost money?
No.
Oh, well, better find out. Maybe I should vote. I haven't voted yet. Do you reckon they'll let us in because we're Australian? Might say we don't need your type here. We got a really big one. It's really big. Australian House. It's really pretty. All right, let's go in. Hey dog.